beneath the surface of the Japanese coast.
The sunlight dapples over the algae-covered rocks.
Here, we find the Elysia marginata.
It's a lettuce sea slug, no larger than a grape.
To the untrained eye, it is merely grazing.
A peaceful existence in a microscopic forest. But inside this emerald creature,
a silent war is waging.
in the shallow waters of the Indo-Pacific. Survival is a game of adaptation. Parasitic copepods have invaded its internal organs. They are slowly consuming the slug's reproductive systems
and hijacking its metabolism.
For most animals, this is a terminal diagnosis.
A slow, inevitable decline. But the Elysia has a contingency plan, programmed into its DNA.
Some creatures evolve armor, others develop venom. One unassuming mollusk has evolved a capability so radical.
It challenges our very understanding of life and death. A distinct groove begins to form around the slug's neck.
It is not an injury, but a deliberate biological mechanism. The cells at this junction begin to dissolve.
Their own connections.
The slug is preparing to make the ultimate sacrifice.
To save the only part of itself that matters.
Its mind.
When its body fails, it does not die.
It simply discards it. Initiating the process. With a violent contraction, the deed is done.
In a matter of hours, the head tears itself free.
Autotomy.
The heart, the kidneys, the digestive tract.
And the parasites are left behind. The body may twitch for days,
but it is doomed.
The head, however, crawls away.
severed, but alive. And
Severed, but alive.
A ghost of its former self.
For the severed head, the situation is dire.
It has no heart to pump blood.
It has no stomach to digest food.
By all biological logic, it should perish within hours. Yet, it moves with purpose.
It is not starving.
Because it is solar powered.
nature's living battery.
Surviving against all odds.
A miracle of evolution.
The Costaciella kuroshimae slug utilizes a process called kleptoplasty. It has stolen chloroplasts.
From the algae it ate weeks ago.
And incorporated them into its own skin.
Like a plant, it now survives purely on sunlight.
Converting photons into energy. Required to rebuild an entire existence.
The stolen fire of life.
A fusion of animal and plant.
A mastery of resources.
Day 3. The wound at the neck has sealed.
Inside the tiny severed head, stem cells are working.
At a furious pace. We are witnessing rapid regeneration.
We are witnessing rapid regeneration.
First, a new heart begins to beat.
First, a new heart begins to beat.
A microscopic drum signaling the return of complex life.
The rhythm of recovery. The rhythm of recovery.
Nature's architect at work.
Nature's architect at work. A biological rebirth. Life reclaiming its territory.
Over the next 20 days, the transformation is miraculous.
A new torso elongates from the neck.
Vital organs rematerialize from the genetic blueprint.
The parasite-ridden past is gone.
Replaced by a pristine, healthy vessel.
"20 days to a new life."
A clean slate.
The impossible made real.
Total physiological reconstruction. The masterpiece of regeneration.
The Elysia is whole again.
It returns to the algae beds.
Grazing as if nothing happened.
It is a creature that looked death in the face.
And chose to simply start over.
But this power comes with a price.
Older slugs lose this ability.
Their cells too rigid to regenerate.
A gift of youth.
The finite nature of the infinite reset.
In the grand design of the ocean.
The Elysia teaches us a profound lesson. Sometimes, to survive the impossible.
You must be willing to leave everything behind. The ultimate reset is real.
And it is happening right beneath the waves.
A story of resilience.
A testament to life's will.
Nature's most extreme reset. The headless survivor.